just took the initiative and ran with it. I didn't have to tell y'all what to do. Just got the job done.
Awesome.
All I had to do was kick back.
Awesome. We're out here with Ryden in Coral Springs. We just completed his screen enclosure.
Yeah. Because I have a party going on tonight, and I already know it's going to be lit.